Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Red color, black color, ultramarine color, yellow color, and the last one is green color. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we draw the letter of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now we draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. The letter of F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw G. G for goat. And the next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. And now we draw K. K for kangaroo, K for kite. Kids, now we draw L. L for lemon, L for lion. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Now we draw N. N for nose. The next one is O. O for orange. Kids, now we draw P. P for penguin. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. Now we draw R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, the next one is S. S for sun. And now we draw T. T for tiger. U for umbrella. And now we draw V. V for vanilla. Kids, the next one is W. W for wolf. Now we draw X. X for X-ray. And the next one is Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.